In this Olive tutorial, we're going to be following the Final Cut tutorials. And in the Final Cut tutorial, we have a flying saucer that moves and stops and then moves again. So let's open up Olive and import our media. So we have a background, New Mexican background, we have a spaceship. And let's put our background in there first. And I don't know, we want this to last 7-8 seconds. So we'll notice here we have two views. We've got two possible views. We've got the media viewer and we have the effects. We're not going to do anything with the background. We're going to take the flying saucer and move that around. So let's take that, put that on the top. And both of these are still images. So we can do what we want with those. We can make them longer or shorter. You might want to take away a background if you have a background. Rotate that in rotation. Once again, we're in effects. There's two of these. So we wanted to move from the left side into our picture. So wherever it wants to start, let's pick a random spot, click on it, and here is this little clock up here for position. We'll click on that and it'll set a keyframe right there. That little diamond, that's where it's going to start. So for an effect, you need two things. You need the effect and you need movement of time. So let's go ahead a little bit. And we can just drag this out and move it to the middle, to there. Okay, and that will stop there. So now we can watch it. And it moves out and stops. Stays there for a while. Another keyframe. And let's say we want it to go from there to off here. Stage rate. And it's that easy. Here it goes. It's going to come in and stop for a little while, then go down and leave stage right. So that's how you set your keyframes. You can rotate, you can do opacity, you can put modes, whatever you need to do in this effects window.